up? So I have this thing. I bought it. You're supposed to put oil in this, and then you're gonna like whoosh, whoosh, like that. So let's get our oil. It's from Watson's. And I'm just gonna open this. Check out my lamp. Check it out. Check it out. It's cute. I got here. Boom. And I don't want to put too much. Check it out. What the heck? Ooh. I guess that works. It kind of works, like whoosh. Look at that. Check it out. Woohoo! It's so cool. Oops. Don't press it too hard. It's squirting all over. Yeah, that's what she said. Wow, this is useful. You know, if you like oiling your hair. It makes the job so easier. Also, you can scratch your head with it. That's cool. Ooh, look at the oil. Oh shit. Woohoo! That's cool. Don't put a lot because, you know, holes are kind of big and then they go down so easily. So don't put a lot, just put the amount that you would use for one session of oiling. And when you finish the bottle, you can just scratch your head with it. You know. Yeah, I like this. This is good. I like it. It's useful. Serves the purpose. Good purchase. Bye.